get home, it's your mom. Here is mommy. Oh my gosh, it's falling off. It's so windy.
Stand that.
But everyone gets back up brave. A little bird isn't going to hurt anybody.
Oh yeah, it attacked me.
Well, that's because you act crazy.
Yeah, you can
If you act calm, it would be on your shoulder.
Come on. Haley's nice, so where's girlfriend?
Still looks evil. I don't care what you say. I still think it's evil. But my hair is so thick it's attacked me. It might try to eat my hair.
Haley, are you scared?
Yes.
Try to take a picture of it.
Hi, birdie. Oh!
Oh my God.
You're on camera. Smile. Tweet for the camera. I'm the paparazzi. So you gotta like.